The Kopi Luwak history, the unusual tale of the most expensive drink in the world. Kopi Luwak, also called civet coffee, is one of the world's rarest and most distinctive coffee varietals. Kopi Luwak, one of the priciest varieties of coffee, has a fascinating history and intriguing origins. The background of Kopi Luwak, its distinctive manufacturing method, and the factors that make it one of the most sought-after drinks in the world will all be covered in this article. Where did Kopi Luwak come from? Beginning in the 18th century in Indonesia, namely on the island of Java, is the history of Kopi Luwak. Dutch colonists built coffee plantations in the area at that time. Because it was against the law for the coffee farmers, the laborers on these estates, to steal coffee beans from the plantations, they had to rely on an animal to help them get the beans. The civet cat was this creature. Although it resembles a cat, the civet cat is more closely related to the weasel. These creatures have a propensity to consume fruits, coffee cherries included. They only pass the intact coffee beans after digesting the pulp from the coffee cherries. The coffee farmers later learned about these beans and noticed that the beans with the civet cat's digestive tract had a softer, less bitter flavor. The methods used in Kopi Luwak production, Kopi Luwak Kamituwak, is produced in a very special way that incorporates a natural partnership between civet cats and humans. The following are the primary steps involved in making Kopi Luwak. 1. Civet cat selection. The wild animals that inhabit the civet cats that are used to make Kopi Luwak are part of their natural environment. In the forest, they inherently consume coffee cherries. 2. Ingestion and processing. The coffee cherries are consumed by the civet cats, who only break down the pulp and not the coffee beans. Following their passage through the civet cat's digestive tract, these beans are exposed to enzymes that change the coffee's flavor. 3. Gathering and sanitizing. The coffee beans that have made it past the civet cat's digestive system are subsequently gathered by the coffee farmers. After that, these beans are cleaned, dried, and rinsed. 4. Preparing the beans for coffee. After that, the civet cat's coffee beans are roasted in the same way as ordinary coffee beans. The coffee beans' residual enzymes are eliminated during this roasting procedure. 5. Grind and prepared for serving the ground. Luwak coffee beans are prepared for brewing into a delightful cup of Kopi Luwak after roasting. Disagreement and criticism. Kopi Luwak is regarded as the most costly and unique coffee beverage. Yet the cruel treatment of civet cats during manufacture has drawn criticism. A lot of people who create Kopi Luwak catch civet cats in unfavorable settings and make them consume a lot of coffee cherries. The welfare of the civet cats is severely harmed by these circumstances. Some Kopi Luwak producers have responded to this criticism by attempting to use more morally responsible methods of producing coffee, like letting civet cats live in freedom in their natural habitat and letting them consume coffee cherries naturally. An intriguing example of how a product's exclusivity and distinctiveness can spark debate is the history of Kopi Luwak. Notwithstanding the drink's exorbitant cost and fascinating past, it's crucial to take animal welfare and the environment into account when producing Kopi Luwak. It serves as a reminder to coffee enthusiasts to only purchase goods that are made responsibly and ethically.